Well, good day friends. I have something new for you. It's JVC mini DV camcorder, digital video camera mini DV JVC, and the model name is where is the model name? GR DVP1E. E it means from Europe. There are SD card. SD card I buy for 12 euro. Brand new. In our day it cost 12 euro. Poland. It cost 12 euro. Okay, I don't want to get it out. Okay. Well, camcorder is alive. This is a battery eject. Unfortunately, I have no charger. I use my standard charger, and I use a wiring. Yes, I use a wiring, and I use Knipex. Well, you know. How do I do that? I use Knipex. Yes. For just like that, and just like that, yes, and this side into this deck, plus to plus, minus to minus. Do you understand that? That's the way how do I charge this JVC battery. Battery are 7.2 volts, 700 milliamps. It's not much, but it is enough. I buy this camera for 25 euro. Is there just camera? There is no exercise accessories. Focus 3.7. Well, it's not so good. There are video mode and memory mode. Well, if you wanna open LCD, you should do this. This is a menu. Okay. And first of all, I want to make video on card. Yes. There are MPEG-4 video clip, but you cannot just press record button, yes, and make video clip on SD card, yes, because first of all you need to make video on your mini DV card, on your mini DV tape, yes, and then choose a correct mode. There is no sensor, there is no touch screen at all. Choose a correct mode and make this video to your card. Do you understand that? Like digitalize your clip, yes, your movie from tape to SD card. Yes, and let's try to JVC music. What does it mean? Demonstration on. Wow. Demo mode on. Wow. Interesting. Well, it's a long process. Okay, I make just like that, and okay, if we choose N mode, VGA, and it's just photos. How many photos I can make on SD card. I cannot choose right, like, well, you know, like choose mode to press the record button and make a file on SD card. Unfortunately, I cannot do that. Okay. Well, it's like an image stabilizer or something. I don't know. When you do this, you can make a video on this. Okay. Oh, demo mode on. Oh, I'm sorry. Color viewfinder. Well, it's good enough, I think. Okay. In this short review, I want to show you this cam, and I think it's enough because it's short review. Do you understand that? Stereo digital. Okay. There's a backlight, exposure, focus, and video mode or memory mode. Okay. And that's all about this camcorder. Well, it's not big really. If you take a Sony camcorder, Sony, it's much more bigger. It's much more bigger than this, and Sony is much more bigger than this. Okay. Well, friends, I think it's enough for this time. See you in the next scene when I try to make some movie and make a digital file on card and get card to a computer slot. Yes, Acer a computer slot, and get this file into YouTube. Okay, I hope so. We made this. Okay, and it's enough for this time. Goodbye, friends. Really goodbye.